What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Yanni, and I'm back with another video. So today I decided to do something a little different, and today I'm going to be putting together my salon chair that I ordered off Amazon. So yeah, I kind of already started putting it together, but I thought about it and I was like, why not do a YouTube video? So here I am. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see, and if this is something that you want to see in the future or similar videos. And also, I think I'm going to put the link to the chair. Well, not think. I am going to put the link to the chair in the description box below, so that you guys, whoever you are out there, if you do hair and other things, that you can go get this chair. So yeah. the chair together, I realized I didn't even turn on my ring light. So I went ahead and did that. And I also was having a hard time with getting the screws out and putting the arm rest on. So I just did it off camera and came back. Also, y'all, meet my new puppy. His name is Louis V, like the bag. I know I'm extra, but yeah, he wanted to be in this video obviously. So yeah, say hi to my new pup. So I'm finally finished with the chair. As you can see, it literally took me no time, and I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I actually thought I wasn't gonna be able to do it, but I'm glad it turned out good. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.